Okay, now we have our next company, ZPWY.
Yes, I'm here. Hello.
Yeah, hello. Good morning. Yeah, I'm Helen. Mr. Zhong?
Yes.
Yeah, very handsome man. Yeah, very handsome. Is there any English name?
H-A-N-K-E. Hank.
Hank. H-A-N-K-E. Yeah, thank you. Yeah, good morning. Nice to meet you.
Hold on. I want to. Oh, here.
Okay, no problem. ZPWY. Now, is there no goal? And okay.
Yes.
So,
technology. Yeah, city.
So,
Liaopu town.
Hello, Hank. Hello.
Hello, can you hear me?
No. Now it's okay.
Sorry, then it's not so good. Sorry.
Yeah. Okay, no problem. Maybe
Here is our company background. We are since 2011.
2011.
Yeah. We are production LED street light surge protector.
Protector, yeah.
Here is our. Here is our company profile.
2011.
Yeah.
It's founded. Now you want to show us your showroom?
Yeah, sample room. Sample room,
yeah.
Yeah. Here's the certificate. What do we get? We get 9,001 and 14,001 ISO. Also get a TOV certificate.
Great.
CE UL.
UL. Oh, great.
Yeah, okay. We are marketing. Here is our sample room.
Sample room, yeah.
Yes, we have a SPD surge protector device for video monitor. Also, right now we are main product is SPD for LED lighting.
SPD for LED.
Yes. This series is for Europe market. We get a TUV certificate.
Great.
20 kV. The operation voltage is 100 to 277. The normal the discharge current is 10 kA.
28.
Yes, 28. 20 kV. 20 kV. This is for European market. We also have a product for UL market.
UL market.
US. For US. We get a UL
UL market. For USA market.
Yeah. Here is we have over 20 different surge protector. Hello.
Yeah, I'm there.
Okay.
I'm here.
Okay. I'm sorry. So we also have the small size for your US market.
Small size also the SPD.
Yeah. SPD for LED street light for protection LED street light.
LED street light.
Yeah. Protect the LED street light driver, yes.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, we also have here.
Yeah,
Which,
I can see the UL and yours here.
Yeah, yes.
The search.
Yeah. So we have over 20 different kinds of circuit protector for professional LED driver
Mm-hmm.
product.
Mm-hmm.
Here is a install like this.
Oh,
Here is the protection. If the soldier,
protection.
soldier impact from the light,
Mm-hmm. The
the
search.
soldier protector will handle how to say that? Will handle the soldier.
Mm-hmm.
Then can protect your driver, LED driver.
The driver. Yeah.
Yes. Okay, I'll show you our production line.
Yeah, welcome.
Hold on.
And your company is a high-tech enterprise, is that right?
Yes.
Congratulations. The signal now. Oh. The production line.
Here is our line.
Yeah. How many workers do you have?
Around 14.
14, yeah.
Yes.
And also very clean production line. Hello, Hank. Hello. The signal is not very well now.
Yeah.
No problem. Can you hear me? Hello? Hello, Hank. Are you there? Hello, Hank. Now the signal is not very well. And today is our second day of this event. Yeah. Can you hear me? Yeah, now it's okay now.
Not clearly.
Not clear. Don't worry.
The signal is not so good. I'll show you our library.
Library.
Yeah, library.
Great.
Here's our library, the tester.
Tester.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Test the circuit protect with the LED street light like this.
Mm-hmm. Great. Hello, Hank.
Yes, I'm here.
Yeah.
So we also have a SPD for center line.
The center line.
Yeah. But not a main product.
Signal line. For the signal line, is that right?
Yes. Just 20%.
20%.
Yeah. SPD for power line also we also have.
Oh, the power line.
Yeah, but we are major product is
Or straight line.
Yeah. For street SPD for street line. Yes.
So your search is why used for all kinds of LED drivers. Is that right?
Yes. You can protect all kinds of
LED driver. Yeah,
yes.
good.
Yes, so we
Wide
have a
range.
different size and different for different market. Also have a different certificate we get.
Yeah. So you have the CE and the GUV and UL.
Yes. Also we Also we have different connections. Like this.
Different collections. Oh.
Different connection way.
Different
this.
collection way. Yeah.
Here is a series connection. Like this one is a parallel connection. Yes, you can see this is get a C certificate approval. Yes, 10 kV.
And IP67.
Yeah.
Great.
Yes.
Yeah. Very great. Okay.
Okay.
So, yeah. Is there anything else or anything you want to introduce?
Yeah. If more information, just contact me. This is my name card.
Yeah. Great.
Okay.
Zhong Li. Yeah. A very handsome man.
Thank you.
Thank you for your detailed introduction.
Okay. Thank you.
So, we'll move on to next company. Thank you very much. Have a nice day, Hank.
Have a nice day.
Yeah. Bye-bye.
See you. Bye.
Bye-bye.